Hi everyone, this is Victor again from webautomation.io, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract reviews from Amazon product pages without writing any code using Web Automation's ready-built predefined extractors. So the very first thing you need to do is sign up for a Web Automation account. The link is in the description. Once you have signed up, head back to this page, which is in the description as well. And this is the landing page for the review scraper. It explains how it works, what information you're going to get, how you can use it, etc. But I'm just going to go straight into it and click the Use for Free button. And then all you need to do is activate to add to your account. Once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is put in the starter link from Amazon. So you would already notice there's a default link already assigned. So I'm going to head into Amazon. Now there are two links you can capture. You can either capture a product link, which has reviews, or you can use a search link to scrape multiple reviews from a category. But I'm currently on a product page for a camera, and I want to scrape all the reviews for this camera. So I just click on the review button just to see how many reviews there are, and there are over 500 reviews. And there they are. So all I need to do is copy this link and go back into Web Automation and paste it, and make sure you update the link. That's it. And once you have updated the starter link, the next thing you need to do is click the Run Now button for the extractor to start. So I'm going to hit the button, and voila. That's all you need to do, and your extractor started running. And now this is going to scrape all the reviews in the product page. And then once that's completed, we can have a look at the reviews and see if it matches our expectation. So that took us just less than a minute, and we can see we've scraped a few reviews. Now, we can download this in various file formats: CSV, XML, Excel, JSON, JSON-line. I've got Microsoft Excel open, so I'm going to open it up in Excel, and we can have a look and see what that looks like. So we can see a Microsoft Excel file, and we can see all the information we want: the title, the rating, reviews, the URL, ASIN, updated date, the reviewer ID, reviewer name, reviewer title, and location, and most importantly, the review content, which you can see tons of useful information in here. But guys, I think this is a very good output, and you can see we have all the information we want. If you scroll down, so I've shown you how you can extract this data without writing any code in just a few minutes using Web Automation's predefined Amazon review scraper. While we're here, I can also show you some other features in Amazon review scraper. So you can rerun this if you wanted. You can change the starter link in the input. You can create multiple versions of this, or you can even do more actions in here, like use our advanced settings or integrate with our various options like AWS S3, MySQL, FTP, etc. But guys, thank you very much for watching. I can't wait to see what you extract, what kind of reviews you extract from Amazon using our tool. Thank you very much, and I'll see you at the next video.